If your car ever don't crank, it's probably, oh well, I'm gonna fall. Probably that right there is a fuel pump modulator.
14 Ford Flex.
There's two of them. That's the original. We just plugged that one in. Cranked
Fixing to take this one off.
right on up. Basically, when you went to go crank, car just turned over. Wouldn't crank. That's going to be your most common problem there. Cranked right up, plugged it in. It's right behind the seatbelt, so you got to take all that stuff off where your seatbelt is on the passenger side. It's about a It's $54 at AutoZone in advance, and they didn't have one on the shelf, so we called the Ford dealership. They were $75 and they had one, so we paid a little bit extra. Now we're running.